My Beautylish Lucky Bag finally arrived. Welcome to, obviously, this, but also my new workspace for a few months. That is, don't scratch the carpet, Freya. Bloody hell, we're off to such a good start. This is my temporary filming space and it's chaotic. I have not unpacked anything. I don't plan on unpacking much because I'm going to be moving again in March, which I'll talk about in the future. I'm not talking about it in this video. In this video, I'm talking about this because I've been waiting for it for a long time. It is currently the 1st of February. As many of you will know, we order a lucky bag from Beautylish in December. So I've been waiting a long time. I have been trying to stay off social media so that I don't see other people's lucky bag contents. There's so many videos that I've been wanting to watch, but I've resisted. So I thought, let's take a break from my moving content, which is, well, it just started going up on my channel on Tuesday. And today we're doing the lucky bag, and then moving content will continue on Sunday. So mine looks like this. Usually they put a little, oh, there it is. I was going to say, usually they put a little sticker to hold the paper closed. And I'm not going to lie, I kind of always am a bit annoyed by the sticker because it ruins the paper when you pull it off. But mine has not been stuck on properly. So my paper is looking immaculate. Lucky bags, if you're not familiar with what they are, it's like an end of year Japanese tradition. They're mystery boxes or mystery bags that different retailers do in Japan, and Beautylish do their own. It is makeup related, and I'm excited. I get really excited for these boxes because I don't buy a lot of makeup throughout the year. So there's a really good chance that stuff in here is going to be stuff that I don't own. The little card here, very cute little tag. It says, now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's lucky bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. That's very sweet. Now, I don't want to see too much of what's going on in here, so I'm going to be very careful. I want it to be a surprise. I'm gonna just dig. Okay, something's in bubble wrap. Is everything in bubble wrap? I think everything's in bubble wrap. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be hard. How am I gonna open the bubble wrap without using my eyes? Please hold, caller. I found an edge. I don't know what I'm tearing, but I'm tearing. Here we go. I've got a hand in there. Let's take a look. First up, I have, oh, there we go. Okay, Wayne Goss. Not surprised that there's a Wayne Goss product in here. Pretty sure I've got a Wayne Goss product every year since Wayne Goss has been making either brushes or makeup. This is the Essential Lip Pencil in Natural Berry. Please be a nice shade. I want it to be a nude. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, I mean, it's kind of looking a little bit like it could be a nudie. It's like a nudie pink. I will use that. It looks nice and smooth, which is nice. It doesn't feel like it's dry or tuggy. I'll give that a go. Never tried these, so off to a great start. All right, next up. Oh, it's a Sonia G. This is why I love these bags. Also received a Sonia G brush in many of my lucky bags in previous years. This one is the soft shader. Looks like so. It's just a flat shader brush. Ooh, it has quite a nice taper. I like it. I love it. I will use it. Awesome. Do I have enough makeup brushes? Yes. Do I own that one? No. Okay, next up. Oh, yes! Not even remotely sad. Okay, I believe I spoke about this in one of my holiday, what did I call them? I think it was holiday releases I want but won't buy. This is the Natasha Denona Baby Gold palette. It's a little tree ornament style. Oh, yes. What an awesome product to get in the box. Thanks, Beautylish. Crack it open. It's so little. I love little eyeshadow palettes. Smaller than the palm of my hand. 3 beautiful shades. I'm going to swatch them because why not? Wine not. I feel like I should have had a glass of wine with this, even though it's like lunchtime. Who cares? Let's have a look. Beautiful. Yeah, I really like them. That gold shade is like gold. I need a tissue. BRB. You can tell I've done like nothing to prepare this room for filming when I don't even have tissues or some sort of makeup removing product. Well, I do, but they're all in boxes and I'm like, I can't be bothered unpacking. I don't care. All right, next item. Oh, Good Molecules. Definitely not surprised to see this. It's the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. Have I had this before? Ooh, I feel like I might have. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have. And I think I enjoyed it, but I wasn't like completely wowed by it. This is 13 mils. It's a tiny little bottle. I will definitely use it eventually, but I probably would have preferred, I knew there'd be a Good Molecules product in here because it's, you know, Beautylish's sort of home skincare brand, or in-house skincare brand, shall we call it. I would have loved their priming moisturizer. That's probably one of my favorite products from them. And I like their hyaluronic acid too, I think. So there we go. Anyway, happy with that. I will use it. Okay, next up. What the hell? Oh, okay. Okay. So this is a product called Verb. It is Ghost Oil. So it's a weightless hair oil for shine and smoothing frizz. I kind of like the packaging. Crystal clear, very simple, you know, labeling. 60 mils. I will definitely give it a go. I love to try new hair products. I always revert back to using Davines products, but I also enjoy exploring new brands and new products. Hair oil is the type of thing I use like constantly. It's been in my routine for years and years, so something like this will definitely get used. So that's a good one. I'm happy with that. All right, I think that was all. No, I found one more small thing. This is, oh, okay then. It is from Wayne Goss. It is one of his lipsticks, the Luxury Cream Lipstick in Dahlia. I'm not sure that I'm really gonna want this because I'm kind of anti-lipstick at the moment. Let's have a look at it though. Let's not judge it too harshly. I do like the sleek packaging. Oh, and I can't deny that the color is something that I would wear. Oh yeah, okay. It's like glossy and peachy pink. It smells just standard, pretty basic lipstick, nothing special there. All right, fine. I will try it out. I'm not going to put it on now because I'm wearing one that I'm trying to pan. So anyway, we'll give that a go. Okay, I have one more thing in here. It's a palette. I can feel it's definitely a palette. Is that everything? What is this? Oh, I have this. For sure I have it. It's a Hindash palette. So I will probably, oh God, I don't even know who I'm going to, oh, has the packaging changed? I feel like the packaging has changed. I have my, like, you know, original ones, which I love. This is a Beautopsy, is that right? Yeah, so I do have this. I will find someone to pass this on to in all of her beautiful glory. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to give it to someone fresh and perfect. I already have this palette. There's no point in keeping it. That's a shame. Although, I'm going to say this, right? These palettes from Hindash have been, for me, some of the smartest and most inspiring eyeshadow palettes that I have used in recent years. And I love that they've gone out in lucky bags. obviously I'm not the only one who's received a Hindash palette, because I feel like there are a lot of people who passed this palette up because they were like, I don't know how to use that. But it is just like, it's effortless and it creates such beautiful looks and it's so easy to use, and it like really encourages you to be, you know, kind of like brave and do some exploring and some, you know, experimenting, and really like sort of drags you into the artistry part of makeup artistry. So not sad to see it in there. I am very glad that I ended up with 2 palettes, because this little guy I will keep and this one I will pass along. So for a little recap, I ended up with 2 Wayne Goss products. I will say I'm surprised that I got 2 Wayne Goss products. I would have expected 1, but I'm not sad that I have 2. It's a good little combo to include a lip liner and a lipstick. So the Essential Lip Pencil in the shade Natural Berry, and the Luxury Cream Lipstick in the shade Dahlia. I also got the gorgeous Sonia G Soft Shader Brush, which I'll never be mad about. The Natasha Denona Gold Palette, Baby Gold Palette, excuse me. And the Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil, followed by the Verb Ghost Oil, and the Hindash Beautopsy eyeshadow palette. All in all, I'm pretty happy with everything in here. There's nothing in here that's like, you know, weird or that I wouldn't actually use in like a normal, oh, did you groan? There's nothing weird here that I wouldn't use in like a normal makeup or skincare routine. Sure, I got a double up, but otherwise the products are really good. I remember last year I got a Danessa Myricks like glossy multi-purpose product, which, you know, they say you can use it on the eyes and the cheeks and the lips and stuff. It was super sticky. It was in kind of like a very, very pale camel color that just didn't, kind of clashed. So I couldn't really use it. So there were, you know, there are things in the boxes that I've received where I'm like, I'm just not really going to use this at all. But in this situation, that wasn't the case. I quite like all of the products that I found in my box. So I'm happy, and I look forward to the 2024 Beautylish Lucky Bag. So I'm going to wrap that up there. I'm going to go edit this video and get it up for you guys tomorrow. Let me know if you purchased the Lucky Bag. What did you get in yours? I am also going to go and finally watch all of those videos of people's lucky bags so I can see what they got and who got lucky. Catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.